In this video, you are going to see how to make an image rounded corner in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let us choose an image from the computer. Let us choose this image, click on Insert. Then the image will be inserted. If you want to crop it, click on it. Go to Picture Format, go to Crop, go to Aspect Ratio. Let us make it 1:1. And adjust it like this and click on outside, but the corner is not rounded. Let us decrease its size and put it like this. Again, click on over here, go to crop to shape and choose this option, rectangle rounded corners. Then the corners will be rounded. If you want to adjust it, you will find an yellow button. You can adjust it like this. And this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.